Welcome to the 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss LT, powered by the 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior, power windows, locks and mirrors, 4x4 push-button, drivability dial, and automatic headlights and fog lights, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, 36,157 kilometers on the odometer, column shifter with push-button ignition, nice large 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, dual zone climate control with heated front seating, integrated trailer braking, as well as USB ports and an outlet. Vehicle has the all black dash with Bose audio and our leather heated Silverado seating up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Trail Boss, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac all-terrain tires. We have color-matched door handles with keyless entry, automatic or stationary OEM running boards there, as well as Z71 badging. Trail Boss does have the factory 2-inch lift up front, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. Coming down to the front, black bumper and grille, Z71 badging, LED dates and running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights, 6.2-liter V8 plaque. Coming down the backside, crew cab truck with rear tinted privacy windows, Trail Boss badging. At the rear, dual chrome exhaust tips with the trailer tow pack, LED brake lights, and the Silverado LT badging. Jumping into the interior, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. Sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top, and LED lighting with the single pane sunroof. You have your USB ports and an outlet in the back of the center console, and OEM rubberized floor liners. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the 2021 Trail Boss LT. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.